The latest breaking news.
One of the people arrested on charges of helping triple murder suspect Markeith Lloyd avoid capture is now out of jail. Lloyd is accused of killing Orlando Police Lieutenant Deborah Clayton in January and his pregnant ex-girlfriend Sade Dixon in December. News 13's Aaron Murray is at the jail live right now. And Aaron, walk us through today's process.
Well, she did just leave moments ago, Marla. The people that came to pick her up immediately shielding her face, kind of putting their arm over her so our cameras couldn't get a very clear shot. And then they hustled her over to a car that was parked just over my shoulder here near these two vehicles. Now, the process normally takes 4 to 6 hours, but the gentleman with the paperwork came in just around 8:30, so it did go much faster tonight. Now, this all possible because earlier in the day, a judge dropped her bond from $500,000 to $20,000.
By stipulation, we're going to order that your bond be set at $20,000.
Jameis Slaughter sat quietly for most of the proceedings in Judge Alicia Latmore's court Tuesday, agreeing to all of the stipulations to receive a much lower bond.
And do you understand that if you are released on bond, that you are not to seek to gain a passport? I need you to speak out loud.
Slaughter is one of 3 people originally arrested for aiding murder suspect Markeith Lloyd. But a lot has changed since those arrests. LaKentia Smith Lloyd, Lloyd's cousin, was released from jail last week after her bond was lowered. The state dropped those charges Tuesday, saying there was insufficient evidence. And Zargi Mayen, Lloyd's former boss, remains in jail but is waiting on a judge's approval for a reduced bond. Criminal defense attorney Mark NeJame says many factors could have played into why those bonds were originally very high for all 3.
It's entirely possible that the first bonds were requested to put the squeeze on the other defendants to disclose where he may be.
NeJame says now that the state attorney has had more time to see all the evidence in the case, it is not unusual for high bonds to change.
Even though some of the public's going to say, that's a horrible crime, I don't care if they did any little thing to have helped him out, they should stay in jail. That's not the purpose. That's for sentencing, not for a bond determination.
And any changes in the cases of Slaughter, Mayen, and Smith Lloyd do not mean anything is going awry in Lloyd's case.
And on Markeith's case, it'll have no effect.
And Slaughter's lawyer told us her family would be the ones helping pay for that reduced bond.
Ms. Slaughter's family indicated that that would be within their financial means, so Ms. Slaughter chose to agree to that reduction.
Now, Slaughter's lawyer did tell us that she will be staying with her aunt and siblings, and to follow all the rules that come with that reduced bond, she must not have any contact with anyone else in the case, and she must remain in this area until her next court hearing. Reporting live in Orlando, I'm Aaron Murray, News 13.